Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your VIVO X300 Ultra. First, remove your screen protector or case. If the screen protector is going off to the edges, it can cause ghost touches, which is random tapping on your screen at any time and in any amounts. Case, if it's going over the bezel and touching the screen, you should remove it. Next, clean the screen to remove debris, moisture, and fingerprints using a microfiber cloth. Now restart the phone by pressing the power button and volume up button, then swipe to restart. After the restart, update your software. Go to Settings, swipe down to System Update, and it will tell you if you're on the latest version. That's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.